if you have a house that you purchased during marriage with your spouse and your spouse dies before you, do you automatically own the house? The answer is no. And if you own a house in Texas that was bought during marriage, it's most likely community property. That community property is half yours, but your spouse can leave his half to whoever they want. His will can leave it to somebody else, and then you only have a half interest in the house. Even if his will says specifically that the house is 100% yours, that will still has to go through probate. A probate judge has to declare it to be a valid will, or else it's not really yours until the will has been probated. If your spouse dies without a will, the law says if he has any other children that are not your children, such as if he had children from a prior marriage, or if he had a child as a result of an affair during the marriage, those children that are not your children are entitled to a portion of the house. So you can't sell that house and keep 100% of the money. You can't sell it at all without going through probate, getting an administrator appointed, and otherwise all the heirs are going to have to consent to the sale. And if you are living in the house when your spouse dies, they can't evict you because we have a homestead law. But at some point when you decide to move out, or if you decide to sell the house, that's when you're going to find that you have a problem because you don't own 100% of the house. So it's important to have a will. It's important to probate that will within 4 years of the death of your spouse.
So the best is to get a trust for you to be able to avoid probate. So like and follow me for more information.